In this video, we discuss about switch statement in C language. Switch is a conditional control statement. It is an alternative to else if ladder statements. Switch is more sophisticated form than if else if ladder statements or else if ladder statements. Switch statement helps a user to make a decision based on given number of choices. There are three keywords used in switch statement. One is switch, second one case, and third one break. And coming to the syntax, this is the syntax. So first of all, switch, we give an expression, and then case, there will be different cases here. That means there will be different options. Out of these options, only one option is executed at a given time. Case, value 1, followed by colon. We need to give colon here. No other symbol is allowed, only colon, followed by statements, then break statement. Now observe here, switch, case and break, they are given in bold letters. That means they are keywords. And similarly case, value 2 and so on statements. And the last one is default. That means if no case is matched, then default statements are executed. This is the simple syntax of switch statement. Now we see the flowchart of switch statement. Initially we give an expression. The expression is matched with the first case. First of all, it is compared with first case. If the first case matches, that means if the first case value matches, then its related statements are executed. Then break statement is used to get control out of the switch statement. By using break statement, we get out of the switch statement. Then automatically the remaining statements after switch statements is executed. No other case is executed. And if the case 1 doesn't match with the given expression, that means if the case 1 is not matched with the given expression, then case 2 is matched with the given expression. If the case 2 is matched, then its related statements are executed. Then break statement is used to get the control out of the switch statement, and the remaining statements after switch are executed, and so on. This procedure continues. And finally, if case n is matched, then its related statements are executed. Then break statement takes the program control out of the outside of the switch statement, and the remaining statements are executed. And if no case is matched, then automatically the statements in the default, then automatically the statements in the default case, they are executed, and the program control comes out of the switch statement, and the remaining statements after switch, they are executed. Now similar to else if ladder statements, if none of the conditions matches in the else if ladder statement, then by default the else statements are executed. Similarly, in the switch statement also, if no case is matched, if none of the cases matches with the given expression, then automatically the statements in the default, they are executed. Likewise, a switch statement works. Now coming to the syntax here. So initially we give an expression, and the expression is matched with the value 1. If the value 1 is matched with the expression, then its statements are executed, and by using break, we get the program control out of the switch statement, and the remaining statements are executed. If the value 1 doesn't match with the expression, then value 2 is checked. So if value 1 is not matched, then value 2 is checked. Now assume that value 2 is matched with the given expression, then its related statements are executed. By using break, the program control comes out of the switch statement. In this fashion, the procedure continues, and finally, if value n matches with the given expression, then its related statements are executed. By using break, control comes out of the switch statement. And finally, if none of the cases matches, if none of the cases match with the given expression, then automatically the statements in the default case are executed. The statements in the default are executed and the program control comes out of the switch statement. In this fashion, a switch conditional statement will work.